Begin by launching your PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the program opens, navigate to the presentation you would like to work with. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert an image into a shape without distorting its proportions, ensuring that the picture maintains its original aspect ratio when fitted into a custom design element. After opening your presentation, direct your attention to the top of the window where the ribbon of tabs is located. Find and click on the tab labeled Insert. This action takes you to a section that offers various options for adding content to your slides, including text boxes, tables, and different types of images and shapes. Within the Insert tab, look for the option that allows you to add a shape. By clicking on the Shapes tool, you will be presented with an assortment of shape options. In this particular example, you will choose the diamond shape to serve as the container for your image. Selecting a diamond is simply one instance, but the concept remains the same regardless of the shape you decide to use. With your chosen shape now loaded onto the list of options, insert the diamond shape into your slide by clicking and dragging your cursor to the desired size and location. This will create a visual element on your slide that you can later transform into an image holder. The diamond shape can be resized and repositioned as needed to best fit your slide design. Once the shape is placed, look to the top of the window once more, but this time click on the Shape Format tab. This tab contains several formatting options specifically defined for the shape you have inserted. Here you will find the option to fill the shape with color or media, among other customization settings that allow you to fine-tune its appearance. Within the Shape Format tab, locate the setting named Shape Fill. Selecting this option will display a menu of fill options. Instead of choosing a solid color or gradient, you need to apply an image fill to maintain the visual integrity of the inserted photograph. Click on Picture from this menu to reach the stage where you can introduce your image into the shape. Following this, choose the option that allows you to insert a picture from a file on your computer. This action opens a dialog box where you can browse through your files. Find the specific photo that you wish to insert into your diamond shape. Once you have selected the correct image from your file system, click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, the chosen image will be applied within the boundaries of the diamond shape on your slide. Because you have used the picture fill option, PowerPoint will automatically adjust the image to maintain its aspect ratio, preventing any distortion that might occur with a simple manual resize. This technique preserves the result while allowing the confines of the shape to act as a creative mask for your picture. By following these instructions carefully, you will have successfully inserted an image into a custom shape in PowerPoint. The final result is a professional looking slide element that combines both design and functionality without losing the natural proportions of your image. Enjoy experimenting with other shapes and fills to further enhance your presentations.